All right, good day, viewers. I am myself again, Otemu Ohenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to not subscribe yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel as Otemu below. This is quadratic graph. I want to teach you quadratic graph. It's a wide question. Number 7, 2015 says the table is for the relation y is equal to ps squared minus 5x plus q, and the table is given to us from minus 3 to plus 5, and the value of y is given to it 21, and the rest of them to this place. And the question asks us if use the table to find the value of p and q. Use this table to find the value of p and q. Then copy and complete this table. Then use a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm to 5 units on the y-axis. Draw the graph for the relation minus 3 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. Then use your graph to find the value of x. To find y when x is 1.8 and to find x when y is minus 8. Solution. Look at the table given to you. We have two coordinate points. When x is 0 and y is minus 12, and when x is 4 and y is 0. These are the two things we need to find the value of p and q. So the first coordinate is 0 minus 12. That is the first coordinate, 0 minus 12. And we are given y is equal to p x squared minus 5x plus q. Right? That's what we are given. Now, I'll now say in continuing, well, this is x and this is what? Y. Now, anyway I see x, I will put 0. Anyway I see y, I will put minus 12. So yes, minus 12 is equal to p bracket 0 all square 5 bracket 0 plus y is okay plus q. Now here is minus 12. Everything here is 0 is equal to q, which implies that q is equal to minus 12. So we are putting q first to be what? Minus 12. So we are looking for p now. Okay, the second coordinate is when x is 4 and y is 0. So therefore, I'll put it also in this expression. So if y is 0, I'm not saying 0 is equal to p bracket x is now 4 all square minus this 5 times x again, which is the same 4, plus q. But thank God we have q to be minus 12. So I would say plus bracket minus 12, which the negative will supersede. So there's no need to write plus minus 12. You know, write minus 12. Now, here is 0. This will give us the square of p is 16. So 16p, 4 times 5, 20 minus 12. Minus what? 12. So we can now do it again like this. 0 is equal to 16p minus 32. Minus 32. Okay? Let me do it somewhere here. Let me do it somewhere there so we can get the other value. So now, when this minus 32 come here, it becomes 32 is equal to, become 32 is equal to 16p. Then let's divide both sides by the coefficient of p. So this one will give us 2 and 1. Will give us 2. So p now is equals to 2. So the value of P is 2 and Q is what? Is minus 12. Okay, let us put it to get the value now. We will say y is equals to px squared minus 5x plus q. Y now is equals to p is now 2x squared minus 5x. Our q is minus 12. Thank God that it's here, which is now minus 12. So with this one, we can now plot the table of value. We can now plot the table of value. So let us now plot the table of value for the graph. It says x minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So after the y, the first thing there is 2x squared. So I'll write 2x squared here. There is minus 5x. Here is minus 12. So we now get our y. All right. When you want to 2x means I will square all the value of x, then multiply the result by 2. So minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Here is 0. Here is 1 squared times 2 is 2. 2 squared times is 4 times 2 is 8. Is 8. The marker is not getting, it's a new ball, so let me do it again. Here is 2. Here is 8. Okay, let's manage it. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, then what will the other one be? 5 squared is 25 times 2 is 50. Okay, minus 5 times minus 2 gives us 15, because minus times 5 minus gives us plus. Then minus 5 times minus 2 gives us 10. Here gives us 5, 0. Minus 5 times plus 1 gives us minus 5. Minus 5 times 2 gives us minus 10. Minus 5 times 3 gives us minus 15. Minus 5 times 4 gives us minus 20. Here gives us minus 25. Okay? This is a constant number. I'll put it across minus 12, 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 minus 12. Okay, so the next thing is to find the value of the y. Find value of y. Now, 18 plus 15 minus 12 gives us what? 21. Okay? 8 plus 2 is 18. 18 minus 12 is 6. 2 plus this is 7. 7 minus 12 gives us minus 5. Okay? 7 minus 12 gives us minus what? 5. Now, here is minus 12. Okay? Now, 2 minus 5 give us minus 3. Minus 3 minus 12 give us minus 15. 8 minus 10 give us minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 give us minus 14. Okay? 15 minus 18 minus 15 give us 3. 3 minus 12 give us minus 9. Alright? 32 minus 32 give us 0. Okay? 15 minus 25 give us 25. 25 minus 12 give us 13. So this is how we can plot the table of value. I want to plot the graph now. I will take you to the graph to use this table to plot the graph. I want to encourage you to store this information in your memory so that I will clean all this and I will to plot it, and then I will solve these questions in my next video.